Dear friends, very happy evening. In this occasion, this video is such that Mr. Arvind has got appointment order as daily municipality. Town planning. My friend's son. Secondly, he has got another appointment order also. That is very well. In IIC, two appointment orders he has got. To celebrate this function, his happiness, he has come to our house to give this sweet. In this occasion, I wish him all the best and best of luck. And he has also got another appointment order that will be uploaded very shortly in another video. I wish him all the best and best of luck. I also suggest him that he should focus towards civil service. Okay, this is not enough. Okay, the aim should be high. Okay, so that we can become collector of this district. So, in this occasion, I wish him to focus towards civil service. Okay, so many officers, IAS officers have come. Being in a post, after that they focused towards that civil service exam. So, this service will also be counted because this will be counted wherever he works. Okay, the best wishes and wish you all this all of these friends.
Upcoming officers.
Upcoming
officers.
They are upcoming officers. They are upcoming officers. These people. Because just now I have given them their motivational speech, small speech, about my own experience regarding few words I have comment. Yes. Okay. In this occasion, he has come to give me the sweet. I also wish Arvind, because best of luck. Second version is please. And I would like to give all the best. Naveen, all the best of luck. Stanley, praise the Lord. Your father should see this. You must give the next sweet to us. In this time, I also want to give you this. Someone can get this. I know you are hard working. You have seen several things. You are working very sincere and very hard work you are doing. So, again and again I wish all of these people to have a bright future. Thank you so much for watching. Soon his marriage should be in there. Very good. Because he is the only son. So there should come some நல்ல ஒரு பெண் வரணும் இல்லையா ஒரு கலைமகள் வரணும் இல்லையா ஆமா கலைமகள் திருமகள் வரணும் இல்லையா வீட்டுக்கு மகாலட்சுமி ஓகேயா ஸோ விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் லக். Thank you so much for watching this video.